Welcome back or welcome. If you're new here and missed the last video, the Miata is finally primed. Now, we didn't get to prime the headlight covers, and I still need to finish prepping the door panels, the finish panel, and the wing.
Well, let's get to work, vagina.
But for now, we're heading down to Brian's shop, not to sand the primer just yet, but to grab my body kit, bring it down to KALIE at her shop, and spray it the color I'm actually doing.
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Now, I'm riding solo for this one, just for a bit, so let's go. And we made it. It's so dark in here. Oh, there's a puddle. It's like a maze in here. Update on the car. Trying to figure out how to open this. I want to assume it's... No.
You smart.
I figured it out. Got everything. Off to KALIE's we go. And we're here! Now to find KALIE. I found her!
Hello.
First order of business, we gotta re-prep these things. It's hard to set up the camera so you guys can see what we're prepping, but we're basically just repeating the same process we did at Brian's shop, so we could just go in the booth and be sprayed. We got one more side skirt to do, and then all donezo. It's time! You guys don't remember us mentioning this primer can also be used as sealer? Yes. Time to suit up! I don't know where mine is. Honestly, it's somewhere.
It's giving
We don't have these at Brian's shop, but cloth it up.
If you don't pack your then you.
Nice.
Welcome to the home.
It's nice.
So we are gonna tag team these parts together. KALIE's gonna tackle the bumpers, and I'm gonna do the side skirts. I haven't seen one of these.
So this basically is another preventative to keep things from sticking to it, especially because it's raw plastic.
That's a static gun. You got anti-static. Another way to test if your panels have static, if you have arm hair, put your arm next to it, and if your hair sticks to that, it's too much static. Get rid of it. You made the camera go out of focus. So since she used the anti-static gun, she can do this instead of wiping one way. Instead of Bulldog that we were using last time, we're on an official shop, so we can actually use the plastic polyolefin.
Yes. It's way more better because there's metallics in this, so you can actually see where you're spraying it.
Always make sure your hose are ready to go. Is my hoe ready to go?
Your hoe is ready to go.
I look crazy.
We're gonna adhesive promote this. You don't want to wet bed it. You want to just put like a nice mist coat on it. You should see it flash off as you spray it, basically.
Okay, now that that's sprayed, it is time to mix the sealer.
Anything is a hammer if you think hard enough.
Oh, fancy with it.
We're not in the ghetto anymore. They scare me because I've had a paint can explode on one of these before. I'm a scientist. Are you thirsty? Strain your
There we go, guys. time to mix the actual color we're doing, and I'm still debating if I want to show you guys or if I'm just gonna leave it black and white.
Don't show them.
Here's the stack. It's all pearl. Base clear. It's so pretty!
Good goop this time.
Now before we spray the actual kit itself, spray out card. Just to make sure the color is how I want it. If we need to add more pearl, we'll figure it out. It's gonna be a couple coats before we get the color we actually want, aka 4. So we'll be back after. Clear time. I'm actually freaking the f out on how good the color looks. You don't work here?
No.
I tapped him in.
overnight, and Jordy and I are gonna come by tomorrow morning to pick up the kit, so we'll see you guys then. Good morning! So we picked up the kit from KALIE's shop. It's scattered in Brian's shop right now, and I am here to block the car. Again, just me. Sorry, but not sorry, because it is my channel. Jordy went to go pick up some new wheels. Got our sandpaper and blocked right here. Thank you, Anthony. I also have guide coat over there that I'm gonna spray all over the car. Okay, guide coat. The best way to describe guide coat is it shows all your highs and lows, basically how to get your shit even. Now you don't want to spray too on there, just spritz it on. All covered for the most part, so let's start sanding. You guys know the drill when it comes to sanding. Time lapse. Not gonna lie to you guys, this is a lot of work. My phone is on 27% and I am stuck here until Jordy gets back from Boston. So no more time lapses, unfortunately. It's a lot of work. I basically just have to sand the whole entire thing again. So we're just gonna skip to when I'm all done for the day because I want to eat lunch right now, relax for like 15 minutes, and then get right back into it. My little lunch setup. I got black clover on. If you know, you know. And yeah, we'll be back to that. And it looks like I am done in the paint booth for the day because the lights all decided to go off on me. Nice. The rest of the shop lights work though. So I'm gonna start prepping my finish panel to get this party started. Let's start with the finish panel because it's tiny. Don't gotta go crazy with this because it is fiberglass. So I'm just gonna hit 400. 3, 2, ta-da! Honestly, this was a lot harder than I anticipated. Thinking about it now, I should have just did the wing because it's just a flat surface. It's fine. Jordy's gonna be here soon to come get me, so I'm gonna clean up and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully the lights will work. You ready to go sand a car?
No.
We are back, we have reinforcements, and we are gonna finish sanding the car tonight. Fingers crossed, because I always say that and it never goes as planned. But as soon as we get there, I'm gonna start the car. I'm putting Jordy on finishing the wing, finish panel, which has a little few spots that I missed, and sanding the headlight covers in 180 because those are still sanded to 400. It's fine. We're gonna get it done. It's gonna be a good night. Looks like the lights are still out in the paint booth. Not sure what to do about that. Well, I guess this is how we are gonna sand the car. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am a bit flustered and overwhelmed because I feel like it has been one thing after another with this process. Trying to stay positive, but it's very, very hard to. A little change of plans. I'm gonna start on this side. Jordy is gonna start on that side. Let's knock this out.
Do it. I got a mask this time. Kai can't yell at me.
I swear, I'm always yelling at these boys to wear masks. I got a little longer flat block thanks to Brian. So let's hit the trunk and finish that up. Hour and a half later. Dude, look how much moisture is in my mask.
Is my mustache white?
Flip it to you again.
Oh.
Dude, that mask did nothing. Anyways, look at the car, guys. It is way more sanded than last time. We made such good progress. It's so dusty in
I
here.
would say 85%.
Yes. 85%. And honestly, I'm gonna end the video. It's been a long weekend. It's gonna be an even longer weekend next time because we have to finish this, prep the wing, headlight covers, and finish the finish panel. Headlight covers and the finish panel are basically done. It just needs to be hit one more time. Thank you again, KALIE, for letting me use the booth and helping me out with the kit. You will guys see the color soon enough, but I'm gatekeeping it for right now. Also, if you want to support the channel even more, I ordered extra shirts. They're still processing. They should be done this week or next and sent out to you guys ASAP. Gloves are still on the site. Limited quantity. Check them out. On this note, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.